31st October 2022, Tourism Department order issue केलेली to stop activities creating nuisance and empowering police to take action. Now, the whole time and every time we could hear the tourism minister saying illegal touts, illegal touts, illegal touts. And आम्ही सदांच सांगताले there is nothing like illegal tout. A tout is an illegal person. But त्यांना हांव सांगतालो की illegal tout जेन्ना तो म्हणटा तेन्ना अशें दिसतालें की legal tout आसा म्हणून. आनी तो legal tout tourism minister. आयज हांव तुका विथ एविडन्स दाखयता. आम्ही RTI घातली. जेन्ना order was passed from October, that is to end of 31st October. So we asked the number of touts that have been prosecuted, that have been caught, that have been found, that have been fined. And accordingly, there are touts found only in 3 tourism beaches of Goa.